Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. Today, I want to share some valuable insights on how to clean refrigerator water lines. Taking care of our appliances is essential to ensure they function optimally and provide us with clean and refreshing water. So, let's dive into the process and understand why it's important. Firstly, keeping the water lines in your fridge clean is crucial to prevent the growth of bacteria and molds. Over time, mineral deposits from hard water can accumulate in the lines, causing limescale and affecting the taste of the water. Moreover, regular cleaning extends the lifespan of your refrigerator by eliminating damaging minerals. Now, let's talk about the tools you'll need to clean your refrigerator's water lines. These include a cleaning cloth or rug, distilled white vinegar, a bucket, a funnel, a screwdriver, a small wrench, and 2 clamps. Once you have gathered these tools, we can proceed with the cleaning process. Here are the steps to follow. Shut off the water. Locate the shut-off valve, usually found behind or near the fridge. Unplug the refrigerator from the socket to ensure safety. Disconnect the water line. The method for disconnecting the water line may vary depending on your fridge's model. You might need to twist and pull the line or use a screwdriver to remove the lower screen and detach it from the components. Place the line inside a bucket to avoid spillage and depress the dispenser's lever to drain all the water. Clean the dispenser and reservoir. If you want to clean the dirt in the dispenser reservoir, locate it behind the crisper. Disassemble the fridge's compartment if necessary. Rinse the reservoir with the vinegar solution, wipe the dispenser with a vinegar-soaked cloth, and let them dry. Wash the reservoir and dispenser with soapy water, running clean water through them several times to remove any vinegar taste. Flush the refrigerator line, reconnect the reservoir and place a funnel in its tube. Pour 3 cups of vinegar into the reservoir, or enough to saturate it. If your fridge has an ice maker, pour distilled vinegar down its line. Depress the dispenser's lever to ensure proper circulation of vinegar. Allow the vinegar to work for 10 to 20 minutes, using clamps to prevent leaks. Rinse the lines, remove the clamps, let the vinegar drain into a bucket, and turn on the valve. Let water flow through the system for a few minutes until all the vinegar has drained out. Reattach the lines and flush them by pouring a few glasses of water. Clean the ice tray. If the water line was very dirty, check for molds. Rinse the lines until the contents are crystal clear with no traces of mold. Discard the first few batches of ice cubes. Wash the ice tray thoroughly with soap, rinse it multiple times, and dry it before placing it back in the freezer. Plug in your refrigerator. Finally, plug in your refrigerator and enjoy clean and refreshing water. To ensure continuous purity, remember to replace your refrigerator filters at least twice a year or as needed based on usage and water quality. I hope these valuable lessons on cleaning refrigerator water lines have been helpful to you. Remember, taking care of your appliances not only improves their performance but also safeguards your family's health. Thank you for listening. Stay hydrated and take care. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.